sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 9th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking good tomorrow. Highs back in the 60s, will be dry. 70s are likely on Friday, but then a very cold weekend ahead with a chance of snow for the northern third of the state early Saturday morning and then a big freeze Sunday morning. So again today, much to discuss. Here we go. We'll start with the upper air look across the country today. We've got a broad southwest flow aloft, but we have a drier air mass moving in. There's the visible satellite view. Still a lot of clouds around the state, a few peaks of sun, especially over northwest Alabama. Temperatures are way below average. We have upper 40s, low to mid 50s. Cullman 48, Birmingham 54. But again, we go back in the 60s tomorrow, and 70s are likely Friday. Around the nation, winter storm warnings in effect for parts of the Central Plains back into the Rockies. Also, winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Pennsylvania and New York. A risk of severe storms through tonight along the South Atlantic coast from near Cape Fear down to Jacksonville. That would include Charleston and Savannah. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over North Florida. And day 3, which is Friday. In advance of the cold front, we have a chance of severe storms over parts of the southeast United States. In Alabama, the higher severe weather probabilities, and this is mainly Friday night, would be in that yellow area. That's level 2 out of 5, slight risk south of a line from Mobile to Phoenix City. A marginal risk as far north as Thomasville, Prattville, and Roanoke. The northern half of the state most likely will not have severe storms Friday night. Here's the QPF, the rain for the next 7 days. For Alabama, the amounts generally under 1 inch for the north, 1 to 2 inches for the south. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Again, broad troughing north and west of the state, and a pretty decent day. The sky partly to mostly sunny with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Should be a very nice day. This is Friday. We're dry during the day, a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the low to mid 70s. That'll be the warmest day of the week. But here comes our cold front. This is Friday night at midnight. Rain moves in. We have a surface low that's near Atlanta, the better chance of any severe weather over the southeastern half of the state. And snow will likely form back in the colder air over West Tennessee and parts of North Mississippi. This is Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. The GFS depicting some snow for the Tennessee Valley. The European model more aggressive with the snow, showing snowflakes as far south as Interstate 20, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston. Still pretty confident we will no doubt see some snow for North Alabama early Saturday morning. And then by Saturday afternoon, it's all gone. It's going to be a cold day. Highs on Saturday will be only in the 30s from Birmingham north. And a strong north wind will keep the wind chill index near 20. And the sky will clear Saturday afternoon. But, of course, the question is how much snow can get on the ground. Well, this is coming off the national blend of models. Again, this is the ensemble approach. That's the best way of looking at this. And keep in mind, the accumulation will be limited by the warm soil. Will be in the 70s on Friday, the day before this. And also, it's a case where we've got cold air coming in, moisture leaving, and that traditionally does not bring a big snow here. But this is suggesting that that northwestern corner of the state, up around Florence and the Shoals, may be receiving 1 to 2 inches on grassy areas. Everybody else 1 inch or less, and not much at all for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. And temperatures will be down in the low 30s Saturday morning, so there might be a few slick spots on bridges over the Tennessee Valley. Huntsville, Decatur, Athens, Florence. Not expecting any travel impact along Interstate 20 or 59 at this point. But certainly that'll be the talk of the town. So Sunday morning's going to be awfully cold. The day will be sunny on Sunday. The high Sunday will be in the 50s. But Sunday morning, again, we're expecting lows between 18 and 25 for most of the state. A freeze all the way down to the Gulf Coast. A very significant late season freeze. So once again, growers, beware. You've been down this path before. We always have these in mid-March. And take the precautions you need to take. Let's go to next week on Monday. We're dry, highs back in the 60s. And then Tuesday, a little upper trough comes in. We've seen different variations on this. We'll mention a chance of showers statewide on Tuesday. Don't expect any severe weather, the high in the upper 60s. And a week from today, the trough gradually moving east and the better chance of rain shifting east of the state by Wednesday. and we should be up in the low 70s by Wednesday of next week. Let's go out 10 days. Saturday, March 19th, got a trough coming in, a surface low that's over Illinois that might bring some strong storms in here, but at the moment we're not showing much instability, hardly any. This would be Saturday morning, the 19th of March at 6 a.m., but understand this is 10 days out, and we all know this will change. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. Numbers are coming down. The mean is under 2 inches now between now and the 26th of March. And we'll peek at the snow output from the same model, European ensemble. Got 51 members, and most all of them show a few snowflakes for Birmingham early Saturday morning. Probably not many, but no doubt we'll see a few flakes around here. Temperatures 72 Friday, 41 on Saturday. And that might be optimistic. I think Birmingham could stay in the 30s all day Saturday. And note that low Sunday morning of 22 for Birmingham. Not a record. The record low is 12. Set back during the blizzard of 93 for March 13th, but very cold for mid-March. But we bounce right back with highs back in the 70s for the latter half of next week. And hot off the presses, the new Cpc Outlook, March 17th through March 23rd. Temperatures around here will likely be above average during that time frame. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.